What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases made by Ringke for the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra. I will also be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these cases up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. And then here we have Ringke's Fusion Clear. It also does have these protective covers on the inside and out that you're going to want to remove. So we'll go ahead and do that first. They put these little tabs on here and make it nice and easy. Very nice. Very nice and clear. It's got nice flexible sides, but it's got a nice hard backing to it. All right. Very nice and grippy. Feels good in the hand. Buttons are easily accessible. If we look at the side here, there is a little raised lip on the top and the bottom, and there's also access to the edges of the phone. Now, one thing to also note, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my phone, so it's always nice to know that there's still a raised edge even if you do want that extra protection. If we look at the bottom here, we have our little S Pen cutout speaker charging port. You can easily access your S Pen. No problems there. Look at the back. It is nice and clear. Fingerprints. Not too bad. Not bad at all. And if you do get some fingerprints, you just wipe it off. It's really not that bad. And it's got a nice open piece for your cameras. And it also does have a little raised edge to protect your cameras in case you put your phone on its back. It won't touch those lenses. And it does have some reinforcements on the edges here in case you happen to drop your phone. That is nice. This is the Ringke Fusion. Very nice case. I like it. And then as far as wireless charging goes, no issues there. Then here we have the Ringke Fusion Matte, which doesn't show fingerprints on the back, which is nice, but it still maintains that clear appearance. Go ahead and peel off our protective covers here. So as you can see, it's got that frosted look. Very nice. It feels just like the back of the Galaxy S22. Very nice and smooth. And it does not show fingerprints at all. So it still has that same grippy feel as the regular Fusion, but it's got that nice frosted back. That is so cool. Like I said, no fingerprints. And again, you can still show the color of your phone. That is sweet. The matte is always my favorite because you can still use the clear case, but you don't have to worry about those fingerprints. Very nice. And it has all the same protections as the regular Fusion, the reinforcements on the edges, same cutouts on the bottom, and the same raised edge on each top and the bottom. And like I said, it doesn't feel slippery at all. It's nice and grippy in the hand. Buttons are clicky. I really, really like this case. And for wireless charging, still no issues there. And then here we have the Ringke Fusion X. Again, it's got those same protectors on the inside and out. So again, this one has the nice hard clear backing on it, but it does have definitely more reinforcement on the edges to give you more protection than the regular Fusion. Buttons are very easily accessible. The power button's got this little rigidness to it, and then the volume buttons are separated, which I always love on a case. We definitely have more reinforcement on the edges here. We still have the lip on the top and the bottom here, and you can still access the side edges. It's got that cool texture on the side. It does feel nice and grippy in the hand. Won't slip. And there is the back. Man, that looks great on the black. Very sleek. As you can see, it's got that nice clear backing. Fingerprints show up a little bit, but not too bad. This one has a very prominent raised back to give even more recession for your cameras, for extra protection. Got those same cutouts on the bottom here. S Pen, very easy to get to, no issues there. And you got your little lanyard cutout on the bottom. Very nice. Definitely like the Fusion X. That looks sweet. The edges here are not as grippy as some of the clear cases, but it's not slippery either. So you don't have to worry about the phone just sliding out of your hand. And for wireless charging, no issues there. And then here we have the Ringke Onyx case. This is another one of my personal favorites that I've been using on the past 3 iPhones. It's got a nice texture on the back there, and it's got these little raised bumps for when you put your phone on its back. It is flexible, made out of like a rubbery material, like a more of a plasticky rubbery material. But it does keep your phone nice and slim. Does not add a lot of bulk. Buttons, easily accessible. It's got this little texture on the side to help keep it in your hand. As you can see, it's got the raised edges on the top and the bottom, and you can still access the sides of the phone. On the bottom here, you got your cutouts. S Pen is still easily accessible. There's your power button. Your volume buttons are separated, which I like. These buttons don't stick out a lot, so they're not as pronounced as some of the other cases, but you can still get to them. On the back, it has a recession for your camera to keep it protected. Again, it's got that nice texture on the back, and it does look like it's got some nice edges to keep your phone safe. And if you're interested in how slim it is, as you can see, it doesn't add a lot of bulk either. I'll definitely give this case a thumbs up. And for wireless charging, definitely no issues there. So that is Ringke's case lineup for the brand new Galaxy S22 Ultra. Again, I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.